Have you ever been working on a stupidly important project when all of a sudden,
I need tape.
but the only rolls of tape on the face of the planet are in a shoebox on the other side of your shop?
No. As far as I know, this is all the tape I own, and I'm probably gonna find more. So we need to make the thing a little bit bigger and have more room.
First thing I did was organize all my tape. This is wood. Then I cut the wood and caught it with my foot. Oh yeah, and both pieces were 4 feet long. Then I cut a bunch of 12-inch pieces from the thinner furring strip so that the tape actually has something to sit on. And I did the same thing with dowels.
So the furring strips are gonna attach like this, and the dowel is gonna attach like that.